R1 Smart Lock. Installation tutorial. Accessories list: front lock, rear lock, lock cylinder, key, card, screw, tail ruler, slab screw. Open the hole according to the opening position of the drawing. Punch holes in the door according to the base plate. Install base plate. Screw on the fixing screw. If the slab screw is too long, we're going to crop. The reserved length does not exceed the edge of the outdoor door. Put in the front lock. The tail ruler should be cut according to the thickness of the door. Install the front lock after cutting. Unscrew the bamboo screw to fix the front lock. Put the lock cylinder into the reserved position of the front lock cylinder. Then put in the other two slab screws and tighten them. Connect the front lock wire to the rear lock. Note that the tail ruler is aligned with the knob hole and inserted before installation. Then use screws to secure the rear lock. Take the box apart. Eject the lock tongue for easy reference. Compare the distance of the lock tongue. Mark position. Hit 2 screw holes. Install the buckle box. Screw on the fixing screw. Install buckle box cover. Screw on the fixing screw. Test whether the unlocking is normal. Is the pop-up of the lock tongue normal? If there is any abnormality, adjust this. Unscrew the battery compartment. Install the battery. Install the battery cover.